A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The cycle of animation meetings for the preferential option sector reached its peak in the Basilica of Don Bosco, the Baldoco of America. This year, the meeting featured the participation of formators and educators in the works and social services in CAM province, as well as young leaders and beneficiaries. In Panama, the two presences of the Don Bosco Basilica and the Don Bosco Technical Institute brought together almost 50 participants to continue reflecting on the relationship between faith and justice and on how to live this essential dimension of the Christian journey in the style of Jesus and Don Bosco. In a gesture of an outgoing church and solidarity with the most needy, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff and groups from the Don Bosco Salesian House in San Luis, Argentina, prepared meals to be delivered to the homeless. Thanks to their generosity and their joint commitment, they were able to prepare and distribute more than 70 meals in the areas near the institution, bringing not only food but also a message of hope and care to every homeless person they met along their journey. After finishing their aspirantate on 22nd August, 27 young people from the Salesian Mama Mugzima Vice Province in Angola, ANJ, began their stage of preparation for the novitiate in the Maria Auxiliadora Formation House in Dondo. The opening celebration of the pre-novitiate was held in the chapel at the pre-novitiate community led by Father Victor Sequeira, Superior of the ANG Vice Province, accompanied by the Rector of the community, Father Domingos Chimuco, and the presence of the entire Salesian community. In the wake of the 29th edition of the acclaimed Bosco Fest in North Bengal, in the Siliguri Darjeeling district, the first Bosco Fitza 2024, in the Duars region of North Bengal, brought together 10 schools for a day of talent exhibition. The full-day program held on 24th August brought together around 1,200 students for a lively celebration of culture, unity and talent, featuring 15 cultural events. The rector and principal of Don Bosco School, Odhlabari, in the district of Jalpaiguri, said, "The introduction of the inaugural edition of the Bosco Fitza 2024 proved to be a platform for Siliguri and Doa students to come together, showcase their talents and celebrate diversity." From 19 to 28 August, leaders and altar service from Suwalki, which includes the Oratory, Youth Center and Parish, and which belongs to the province of Warsaw, Poland, PLA, traveled to Italy to visit the places of Don Bosco in Turin and to other cities such as Venice, Milan and Padua. The young people were led by the parish priest, Father Marek Grin, by the head of the Oratory, Father Michel Slechewski, and by the man in charge of the altar service, Father Alexandro Mastalesh. After the cultural visits to Venice and Milan, the group arrived in Turin, where they visited the Pinardi House, the first Salesian oratory in Baldoco, the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians, the Church of San Francis de Sales, and celebrated Mass in the house where Don Bosco died. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.